my today's topic and today's video will be based on the simultaneous linear equations, or we can say linear equations in two variables. Basically it is for class 8 and 9. So already I have written two equations, 4x plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. We can say it equation number 1, equation number 2. Why this is called simultaneous? See, in this equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 14, the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1. So all the powers, the variables powers are same, 1 1. And why this is called linear? Because the power is 1. So maximum power is 1, so it is a linear equation. And why simultaneous? Because all the variables are varying or having same power. So now we have to solve these two equations and have to get the values of x and y. So for simultaneous linear equations or linear equations in two variable, we have four types of methods, four methods we can solve. The first method we have is elimination method. Second, we can have substitution method. Third is cross multiplication method, and fourth we have is graph method. But very simple and we can say it is a very easy method. I have chosen cross multiplication method to explain here. So if these two equations are given and we have to solve it by cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Why I have chosen this? Because it is a very interesting also. X, because we have x, so x upon, we have y, so y upon, and we have constant term, we will write minus 1. Why we have written minus 1? Because this constant term is this side of the equation, is equal to 14 is equal to 11. If this 14 and 11 would have been this side, we would have written plus 1 or only 1. Now see carefully, the first term we have written is x, so we will hide this x and we will write what? Variable of y, variable of y, 3 and 2 this side, 3 2, and after this 3 2 we are having 14 and 11. Now after y, after x we have y, then we will hide y. Now we have 14 and 11 and 4 and 3. Now we have constant term, so we will hide constant term. Now the number comes of variable of x, so 4 and 3 and 3 and 2. I hope everyone is clear. Whenever you have to write x, so you will hide x, you will write 3 2, 14 11. Afterwards we have y, so we will hide y, we will write 14 11, 4 3. Now constant term, then we will hide constant term, and the number comes of 4 3 and 3 2. After writing this, cross multiplication, cross multiplication, cross multiplication. See, x upon y upon minus 1 upon 11 3s are 33 minus 14 2s are 28. Now y upon 14 3s are, this is 14 3s are 42 minus 11 4s are 44. Now 4 2s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. Now we will have x upon 33 minus 28, we will have 5. Y upon 42 minus 44 minus 2, and minus 1 upon 8 minus 9 minus 1. See, minus 1, so we'll have only 1. Now we have to get the value of x and y. So we will write x upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 1, this term and this term we have taken. And to get y, we will write y upon minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 1. So x will be equal to 5 into 1, 5, and y will be equal to minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. So this is the value of, x and y. I think this is not coming in the video, so I'll write here. X is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5, and y is equal to minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. So these are the values of x and y. Elimination method. See, what is the elimination method? As we can see, the name is elimination, so we have to eliminate any one term, x or y. So see, the coefficient of x we have is 5, and here we have coefficient of x is 2. So whether x or y, we have to make the variable coefficient same for x and for y. So here we have 5, here we have 2. So we will interchange for the multiplication. Let us multiply equation number 1 by, we can write multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 5. So what we will get? See, equation number 1 multiplied by 2. So 2 5s are 10x, 2 3s are 6y, and 2 11s are 22. And this one we have to multiply by 5. 5 2s are 10x, 5 5s are 25y, and 5 5s are 25 in minus. Now we have two new equations on the basis of 1 and 2. These two will be 3 and 4. Now we can see the coefficients of x and in first equation and second equation are same. Now subtract. For subtracting, we need to change the signs, minus then plus, minus then plus, plus so minus. So this 10x and minus 10x will be cancelled, eliminated. So now minus 6y plus 25y, we will get 19y is equal to 25 plus 22 will be 47. So y is equal to 47 upon 19. So we have got the value of y, and now put this value of y. Put y is equal to 47 by 19 in equation number 1 or in equation number 2, anywhere. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. We need to put the value of y in this. So 5x minus 3 into 47 upon 19 is equal to 11. So 5x is equal to 11 plus 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, and 2 14 upon 19. We can solve it by taking the example, LCM. 19 1s are 19, 19 1s are 19, plus 1 20, plus 141. So we will get 9 plus 1 10, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3 upon 19, and we have to find value of x, so this 5 will come this side. I hope we can solve it. So this is what elimination method. By the same way, we can solve this equation also, this question also. Please see that carefully. Here we have some changes. Here we have got 8 upon x minus 5 upon y is equal to 34. 3 upon x minus 2 upon y is equal to 13. The same thing is there, but only thing we have to make is the coefficient of x and y. Any one we have to make same. Like here we have 3, here we have 8. So how can we make it same? Equation number 1 we multiply by 3, and equation number 2 we can multiply by 8. What will happen? See, 3 8s are 24 upon x, 3 5s are 15 upon y, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Now 8 3s are 24 upon x minus 8 2s are 16 upon y is equal to 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, and 2 10. Now we have same coefficients 24 and 24, so minus plus minus subtracting, we will subtract it and cancel. So now we have minus 15 upon y plus 16 upon y, so we will get 1 upon y is equal to minus 104 plus 102, so it will be 2. After cross multiplying, we will get y is equal to 1 upon 2. Now put this value of 1 upon 2 in any one of the equation number 1 or equation number 2, we will get the value of x. Okay, thank you so much. Please practice this.